Greg and I are chatting about distracted driving because with 30 years of law experience, you've seen this change a lot. You know, it's not just people eating food or putting on makeup, tending to the kids in the back seat. Now you're seeing people who are distracted by their phone constantly.
Exactly. Yeah. So yeah, you know, in the old days it was people eating, and people still do that. They still
Yeah,
eat. They still
true.
eat in the car, and people still put on the makeup in the car, and they still have kids, and their dashboard in their car is a little bit more complex, maybe. But what we're seeing the most of is people, you know, on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or just looking at their news feed and, you know, texting, and we see a lot of that.
So if I get in a car accident and somebody hits me, it's a fender bender or something like that, and I tell you, hey, I saw them in my rearview mirror on their phone, how do you then prove that distraction?
Well, you know, your testimony is one thing. We can just, you know, you can say I saw them on their phone, or any other witnesses. But if we need to, we can go get their phone records, and we can prove that they were texting or they were doing, you know, whatever on their phone when the accident occurred.
You know what? That's good motivation for anyone who is texting and driving too, because that tells you that if you get caught doing that, you could get in a lot of trouble because the lawyers and the jury is going to see that. You're going to be able to see, hey, this person, you know, maybe sent a tweet at 8:44 and the accident happened at 8:44. But you know what? It's not just fender benders that you're seeing where somebody, oops, I was texting and I bumped this person. You're seeing cases where people are not even stopping. There are no skid marks and they're going like 50, 60 and slamming into people, right? That's so dangerous.
Yeah, we've got a case right now where a lady, her car broke down in the center lane of the freeway, and the guy that hit her at 65 miles an hour, and he never applied his brakes, no skid marks, nothing, just smashed into her. And we know he was on his phone texting at the time, and he wasn't paying attention.
And then how does the jury respond to something like that?
Well, we haven't gone to trial yet, but my guess is the jury's not going to like that at all, especially since this guy was driving a company vehicle.
Wow.
I don't think the jury's going to be kind to this guy or the company.
Wow. Well, we'll have to see how that plays out. Greg, thank you so much for all that information. Thank you for joining us. We'll catch you next time.